I'm gonna show you one of my all-time favorite breakfast dishes, Eggs Benedict. Hey, I'm Ali Carr. Here is a simple and easy, delicious recipe, and we're gonna use the microwave. Okay, so you're gonna wanna gather all of your ingredients because this is gonna move pretty fast. First off, we're gonna start with some thick cut bacon. Let's get rolling. We're gonna make our bacon in the oven. You don't have to worry about a big mess on the stove. Take a sheet pan. You want one that does have the edges because that's gonna capture all the bacon grease. Lined with parchment paper. I like to use a thicker cut bacon. You could even go meat-free and smear a little avocado. All right, let's pop this bacon in the oven. All right, so we're gonna mix together our 2 egg yolks, the juice of half of a lemon, add in a pinch of salt, and a pinch of cayenne pepper right inside. So we're gonna whisk that all together. Our teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a little bit of mayo. Crazy, I know. It's going to help make your hollandaise sauce a little bit richer and creamier because we're not making it over the stove, so we kind of need a few shortcuts. We're gonna slowly add our 3 tablespoons of melted butter to the mixture. We slowly add it because we don't want to cook the eggs yet. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. All done, easy. It looks like our bacon is ready. Oh, that looks so good. I'm gonna go ahead and take the bacon off the tray with some paper towels to help sop up some of that additional grease. Here's a trick of how you're gonna get that perfect poached egg without all the egg white flyaways, right? It just is that beautiful little ball of goodness. We're actually gonna strain out some of the excess liquid. So we're gonna go ahead and crack that right over the strainer. And let that sit for just a second. And see how it's draining out a little bit of the excess liquid. And then I'm gonna pop it into another small bowl. You wanna make sure though, this is a glass bowl, one that can withstand the heat, because it's actually gonna go in the water a little bit. We're gonna add a tablespoon of vinegar to our pot. Give it a stir. Now, this is where you really want a good swirl. I'm taking my cup and putting my egg right in the center. Look at it drop. See how it's all kind of coming together? We're gonna let this sit for about 3 minutes. Ooh, this is gonna be a good one. I just grab a slotted spoon because you do want the water to kind of drain off. Oh. Take a look at our perfectly poached egg. I'm gonna grab my English muffin, layer our bacon right on top. Finish off with a poached egg. Drizzle some of our hollandaise sauce right on top. This is worth waking up early for. A little salt and pepper to taste. Little chives. All right, you ready for this magic? Hollandaise sauce in the microwave, foolproof way to poach an egg, and of course add a little bit of bacon. It's so good. I'm Ali Carr. Thanks for watching. Serve it. Bon appetit.